I made the entire ER think I had a heart attack. Welp, I scared an entire ER into code mode over a chair. A few years ago, I tore the muscles between my ribs in a work accident. They're scarred, but don't bother me much, except scarred muscles aren't great with blood flow. Add in slightly high blood pressure, and my doctor told me to monitor it. Lately, I've been having mild chest pains during night shifts. Never at home, even if I stayed up late. My doctor suggested I stop working nights, but I ignored it. Then came the night. I took a shift after someone cranked my chair into an extreme recline. I was fine for a while, then sharp chest pain hit my left side. My arm went numb, cold, and achy. It got worse until I could barely type. Since I was already in a hospital, I asked the ER nurse if I should be worried. She immediately called the emergency team for a possible heart attack. Suddenly, monitors were hooked up. Someone was about to cut my shirt for an ECG, and the pulse reader on my finger showed 0, 0, like my hand didn't exist. Then, the tests came back completely fine. The doctor started asking about posture, back and neck pain, and that's when it clicked. The chest pains only happened at station 2, the one with that chair. Turns out the reclined position cut off blood flow to my scarred muscles, which mimicked cardiac symptoms. Combine that with stress over my blood pressure and I'd psyched myself out. After adjusting the chair, no more pain. So yeah, I nearly gave the ER a heart attack because of a chair. Sorry to the amazing staff who jumped into action. You guys did